Today I am going to share with you a few lines about Republic Day. First, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. It is important for all the Indians. On 26 January 2022, India will celebrate 73 Republic Day. Republic Day is one of national festival of India. On this day, we hoist our national flag and give salute to it. A grand celebration takes place at Rajpath, New Delhi. We also remember our freedom fighters. At last, I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to wish you a very happy Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January every year. This year, the country will be celebrating its 73rd Republic Day. On this day, in the year 1950, the Constitution of India came into effect. Our Constitution gives us various rights and responsibilities too. We live in a democratic country where people enjoy their fundamental rights. India is a land which is a great example of unity in diversity. I am proud to be a citizen of India, which ensure the fundamental rights of every citizen, such as right to equality, freedom, religion, culture, education, privacy, etc. Since childhood, 26 January has been a memorable day for all of us. Many of us may recall this day as a festival and celebrates it in schools by participating in cultural programs and in other activities. On this day, the award and medals of bravery are also given to the armed forces and to the civilians too. The program ends with the national anthem. It's a day that makes us think beyond the caste, religion, state, language and color. And we all feel the same emotion of loving our country. Every Indian should now forget that he is a Rajput, a Sikh or a Jain. He must remember that he is an Indian. Happy Republic Day. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Let's take an oath. Oath of the betterment of our country. I, Adivas Major, take an oath. I, Adivas Major, take an oath to consider humanity as the greatest religion, second nature, keep an open mind in every situation. Keep an open mind in every situation to say no to injustice, to be more accepting and tolerant, to be helpful in every situation, to be health first and detox from the technology. Everyone's in the while to bring a positive change in life. Thank you.
मैदाने जंग में लड़ना है, फिरंगे से नहीं डरना है, कहती है रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, वादा पूरा करना है। जय भवानी। तो शुभकामनाएं। आज मैं आपको देशभक्ति की कविता सुनाने जा रही हूँ। भारत मेरा प्यारा देश, सब देशों से न्यारा देश, हिंदू मुस्लिम भाई भाई मिलकर रहते, सिख ईसाई इसकी धरती उगले सोना, ऊंचा ऊंचा हिमगिरी बड़ा सलोना, सागर धोता इसके पाँव, है इसके अलवेले गांव। भारत मेरा प्यारा देश, सब देशों से न्यारा देश। जय हिंद, भारत माता की जय। थैंक यू। Hello everyone, I am Himang. Today's topic is Republic Day, we celebrate Republic Day of India on 26th of January. Republic Day is a national festival of India. On this day, the Constitution of India came into force in 1950. Happy Republic Day. Jai Hind.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Sisha Mitra. Happy Republic Day to you all. Republic Day is celebrated every year on 26th January. This year we are going to celebrate the 72nd Republic Day. Now I want to recite a poem to show my love and respect for my country. I am an Indian and it is my pride. To be a good citizen, I'll ever strive. My country is full of natural beauty. To protect it is my duty. As I grow up, I learned many things about my country and respect its heritage and history. Among all the countries, my India was, is and will be the best. जय हिंद धन्यवाद।
आज तिरंगा लहराते हैं अपनी पूरी शान से, हमें मिली आज़ादी वीर शहीदों के बलिदान से। आज़ादी के लिए लंबी चली लड़ाई थी, लाखों लोगों ने प्राणों से कीमत बड़ी चुकाई थी। हमने अपना गौरव पाया अपने स्वाभिमान से, हमें मिली आज़ादी वीर शहीदों के बलिदान से। गांधी, तिलक, सुभाष, जवाहर का प्यारा यह देश है, जियो और जीने दो सबको देता यह संदेश है। विश्व शांति की चली हवाएं अपने हिंदुस्तान से, हमें मिली आज़ादी वीर शहीदों के बलिदान से। धन्यवाद।
Good morning, ma'am. Happy Republic Day. India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Thank you and Happy Republic Day. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Happy Republic Day to my teacher and my friends. My name is Shivam of the class 1B. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th of Jan every year. Now I'm going to sing a song. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा हमारा। हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ये गुलसिता हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। वो पर्वत वो सबसे ऊंचा, हम साया आसमां का। वो पर्वत वो सबसे ऊंचा, हम साया आसमां का। वो संतरी हमारा, वो पासवा हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। गोदी में खेलती है इसकी हजारों नदियाँ, गोदी में खेलती है इसकी हजारों नदियाँ। गुलशन है जिनके दम से रश के जना
Good morning everyone. My name is Shatakshi Shangdar. Today I am going to speak a speech on Republic Day. Today all of us have gathered here to celebrate the Day of Unity of India, i.e. Republic Day. Today we are celebrating 73rd Republic Day of our nation. The Constitution of India was made in 26 November 1949. However, on 26 January 1950, the Constitution of India was executed for all Indians. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar is the father of the Indian Constitution. The day is commended as the public celebration of India. Our Constitution is the longest composed constitution on the planet. Without the sacrifice of our freedom fighters, we may not see these days, so we should always be thankful to them. India is the largest democratic country in the world and I am so proud to be an Indian. This is all I can say. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Jai Hind.